And the choice is this. The data, the data, that's the tears in our economy. For a long time, go out of their bank accounts. That isn't about raising their taxes. So, all of this will mean.
Is there an explanation for why he coughs so frequently in situations like that? I'm sure you saw it.
I did. I don't think it's an issue of concern. I think there are a range of reasons why we may need to clear our throat or we may have a little light cold.
Anderson, I have to apologize. When I listened to the tape, I meant to say the spring of 2022. So I did misspeak. I said if we can get through this winter and get really the majority, overwhelming majority of the 90 million people who have not been vaccinated, I hope we could start to get some good control in the spring of 2022. I didn't mean the fall. I misspoke. My bad.
The Villages, America's friendliest hometown. The Villages, America's friendliest hometown. The Villages.